Japanese cuisine is truly one of a kind. From the moment you take your first bite, you're transported to a world of flavors that are both simple and complex. The freshness of the ingredients, the balance of flavors, and the meticulous presentation make every meal an experience. Sushi, for instance, is more than just raw fish and rice. It's an art form. Each piece is crafted with precision, ensuring the perfect bite every time. The combination of vinegared rice, fresh fish, and a touch of wasabi creates a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate. Ramen is another Japanese staple that has taken the world by storm. A warm, comforting bowl of noodles in a rich, flavorful broth, topped with tender slices of meat, vegetables, and a perfectly cooked egg. It's the ultimate comfort food, perfect for any time of the day. Tempura showcases the Japanese mastery of frying. Light, crispy batter encasing fresh seafood and vegetables, served with a delicate dipping sauce. Each bite is a perfect balance of crunch and flavor. And let's not forget about the delightful world of Japanese sweets. Mochi, with its chewy texture and sweet filling, is a treat that's both unique and irresistible. The beauty of Japanese food lies in its ability to be both simple and sophisticated. Every dish tells a story, reflecting the rich culture and traditions of Japan. It's a culinary journey that leaves you wanting more, each bite better than the last. So, if you haven't already, take a moment to indulge in the real and tasty world of Japanese cuisine. It's an experience that's not just about eating, but savoring every moment. Truly, Japanese food is fantastic and, without a doubt, the best food in the world.